In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to publish a website with Hostinger Website Builder step by step. If you've just finished designing your website and you're wondering how to actually make it live on the internet so people can visit it from your domain, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. The good news is that Hostinger makes publishing a website extremely simple, and you can usually do it in just a few clicks. I'll show you where to find the settings, how to open the website editor, how to publish your changes, and how to make sure your domain is connected properly so your website is accessible to visitors. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign in using the email and password connected to your hosting account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard. This is where you can manage your hosting plans, domains, emails, and of course your websites. From the main dashboard, look for the section labeled Websites. Click on Websites and you'll see a list of all the websites connected to your Hostinger account. Find the website you want to publish. Next to that website, you'll see a button that says Edit Website. Go ahead and click the Edit Website button. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder editor. Inside the editor, you'll see the visual interface where you can design and customize your website. This is where you can edit text, change images, add sections, adjust layouts, and customize the overall design of your site. If you haven't finished designing your website yet, this is the place where you can make all your final changes before publishing. You can click on any element on the page to edit it. For example, you can update your headings, add buttons, insert images, or modify your navigation menu. You can also add new sections like contact forms, image galleries, testimonials, or product sections, depending on the type of website you're building. Take a moment to review your pages and make sure everything looks the way you want. You can also use the preview option inside the builder to see how your website will look on desktop and mobile devices. This is important because many visitors will be viewing your site from their phones, so you want to make sure your layout looks good on all screen sizes. Once you're happy with your website and ready to make it live, the next step is to publish it. Look at the top right corner of the Hostinger Website Builder editor. You should see a button labeled Publish. This is the button that pushes your website live to the internet. Go ahead and click the Publish button. Hostinger will now process your website and make the latest version available online. This usually only takes a few seconds. After the publishing process finishes, your website will officially be live. That means anyone who visits your domain will be able to see the site you just created. Now, there is one more important thing to check. Make sure your domain is connected to your website. If you already set up your domain inside Hostinger, it should automatically connect to your website builder project. But if it isn't connected yet, Hostinger will prompt you to attach a domain during the publishing process. Simply select the domain you want to use from your account and confirm the connection. Once the domain is connected, your website will be accessible through that domain name. For example, visitors will be able to type yourdomain.com into their browser and see your website immediately. And that's it. That's how you publish a website using Hostinger Website Builder. Anytime you want to make updates in the future, simply return to the editor, make your changes, and click Publish again to update the live version of your site. If this video helped you learn how to publish your website with Hostinger, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.